Good morning. This morning I'm going to install the hollow die support onto a hollow die. I'm going to install it onto the smooth side of the die to make cleanup a little easier once we're complete. There are 3 thumb screws that are provided with the hollow die support. You want to thread those in just finger tight. And then the center thumb screw on the center piece. Once everything's snug down, make sure and line up the center so that it's pretty much in the middle, and it will install into the body of the extruder with the support up into the extruder.